Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting mini drone, the Velcase S101. This little guy packs quite a punch, especially considering it's aimed at beginners, kids, and adults just starting out with drones. Right off the bat, one of the standout features is its camera. It comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera that you can adjust the angle on, which is great for getting those perfect shots. It also supports FPV, or first-person view, through the Velcase VGO app. This means you can see exactly what the drone sees in real time on your phone, making it super immersive for exploring or framing your shots. Plus, it has this neat gesture control feature where you can simply strike a pose in front of the camera and it will automatically take a photo or start recording a video. Sharing those aerial moments on social media is made easy with the app connection. For anyone new to flying, this drone seems designed to make the learning curve gentle. It features optical flow, positioning, and barometric altitude hold. What this means in practice is that the drone does a good job of staying stable in the air and holding its height, which is crucial when you're getting the hang of controls. The one-key takeoff and landing functions are also incredibly helpful for beginners, simplifying the most challenging parts of flying. There's even a one-key return and emergency stop, adding layers of safety. Beyond the basics, the Velcase S101 includes some fun flight modes. It has a headless mode, which simplifies control by ignoring the drone's orientation. There are 3 speed modes, allowing pilots to start slow and increase speed as they gain confidence. For some aerial acrobatics, it can perform 360 degrees flips with just one key. It also supports trajectory flight, letting you draw a path on the app screen for the drone to follow, and waypoint fly, where it can orbit around a designated point. Voice control is another interesting addition, making certain commands hands-free. The design is thoughtful too. It's foldable, making it really compact and easy to carry around, especially with the included portable bag. This is perfect for taking on trips or just to the park. The package comes quite complete, which is a big plus. You get 2 1050 mAh batteries, providing up to 26 minutes of total flight time, which is decent for a mini drone. They even include the remote control batteries, propeller guards for safer indoor or beginner flights, and spare fan blades, so you're ready to fly right out of the box. The motors are described as powerful and reliable, with built-in overcurrent protection for safety. The company also mentions providing 24-hour technical support and refund services, which offers some peace of mind, especially for new drone owners who might have questions or issues. Overall, the Velcase S101 seems like a well-rounded package for its target audience. It combines essential beginner-friendly features with fun flight modes and a decent camera, all in a portable design. It looks like it could be a great gift or a solid first drone for someone looking to get into the hobby.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.